get honest with you guys. This story is not that long, but this video is very long. So I will try and make my voice the same length of the video. And yes, this is my version of Goosey's story. Here we go. It was a normal summer day, and me and Goosey were at camp. There was this girl, let's call Caroline. And Caroline, her bouncy ball, it fell in the water. And there's a lake around it. Oh, BTW, I had to kill a spider in this time in the video, so sorry. Yes, so her ball fell in the lake, and we didn't know what to do. Before this, we were playing 500. And we had no counselors around us because we were in a week called Color Wars. Now, Color Wars was a week where you were assigned a color and that was for your team. So, it was the day of the competition, the real competition, and our counselors, no counselors were with us, okay? So, we left. Well, the boy left. And me and this other dude were fighting over his hat because the points were 500 and we were fighting over who caught it. It was obviously me. Okay. Anyways, so then we realized her ball fell in the lake and we were like, oh my god. And the other dude who I was fighting with, he went to go get it. Keep in mind, he was still holding the hat. And he dropped the hat in the lake. The dude wasn't there. And then this other girl, let's call Taylor. And we did not like Taylor. She went to go tell him. And she went into the boys' locker where she opened the door. It was just weird how she went in there. Or she went in there or she told the dude to go in there. I don't know. And he came out and we were like, guys, what you doing? Yeah. We're like, oop. We got the bounce ball out at least. His hat was soaking wet and he had a game. And it's a baseball hat. He had a baseball game after that. There were these, dryers for your wet bathing suits in the outside of both locker rooms. So he came up with the crazy idea to put the hat in there. I don't know who came up with the idea. Someone who thinks outside the box, that's for sure. Okay, so yeah. And then when he came out, he was like, guys, it's so dry! Yeah. And we were like, okay. And then everyone was feeling like, wow. It was actually very dry and it was only in there for 30 seconds. And we were like, wow. Clapping and stuff. Until our counselors came back and they were like, what'd you guys do when we were gone? And we were like, a lot. Okay. As long as you weren't bad, we're okay with it. So I had to cut it off. Okay. So you see, I'm basically done with the story. The part where me and Goosey come in is when we told the whole entire story to our counselors. They were like, wow. And we were like, yeah. We weren't bad at all. And they were like, but we weren't bad, but we did a lot of stuff. We dropped 2 things in the lake, and they were like, oh wow. Okay. And we had competition, and we ended up winning! But we had the worst color. The other team was blue, and we were gray. But who chooses gray? Don't forget to like and subscribe!